In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Docs offline. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving the video a like so others can find it too. To access Google Docs offline, you do need to add an extension to your Chrome. I'm going to leave you the link to the Chrome web store down below so you can download this Chrome extension that you see. So this is the extension that you need. I already have it, so I don't need to download it, but you just simply have to click right here and install it on your computer. Now let's simply go back to Google Docs. You can do that by simply clicking on this 9 little dots. Those are your Google apps. You simply need to scroll down and select Docs. So now we're going to open Google Drive. You can do that by clicking right here at this corner that you see on your screen. It's going to be the 9 Google apps, and then you can select Drive. Then go ahead and click on Settings, and you have to scroll down just a little bit and enable the option that says Offline. Now, it can take a few moments to set the offline option, but when it's ready, what you need to do is simply go back and you're going to find the document that you wish to use offline. So I'm going to use this document as an example. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots that you see right next to the title. And then right here, you're going to have the option to make it available for offline use. You do have to do that with every document that you wish to use offline, because if you don't, you might not be able to edit it, or if you edit it and you don't have internet connection, you might lose any changes that you make. You can go ahead and do that with any document that you wish to use offline, and that's it. I hope this video helped.